Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
Hey Alex, how are you?
I am great, Sam. Thanks.
The weather is nice, right?
Yes, it is very warm.
Are you busy today?
Not really, just walking around.
Do you see my friend?
No, is he coming here?
Yes, Leo is coming soon.
Oh, is he your best friend?
Yeah, we are very close.
That is cool. Since when?
Since high school, actually.
Wow, that is a long time.
He is a great guy.
What does he look like?
He is tall with glasses.
I think I see him.
Where? Looking around.
Near the big oak tree.
Oh, wait, that is not him.
Oops, my bad.
It is okay. No worries.
What does Leo like doing?
Well, he loves sports.
Really? Which sports?
He plays basketball every week.
Nice. I like basketball too.
We should all play together.
That sounds like a plan.
Leo is also very funny.
I like funny people.
He tells the best jokes.
I want to hear one.
Wait, here he comes now.
Is that him in red?
Yes, that is my best friend.
He looks very friendly.
He is the best, truly.
I am happy to meet him.
Hey, Leo, over here.
He sees us now. He waves.
Do you have your ball?
He is nodding his head.
Let's go to the court.
Okay, I am ready.
Do you have water?
Yes, it is in my bag.
Perfect, let's move.
This will be fun.
Leo, meet my friend Alex.
Hi, Leo. Nice to meet you.
Are you guys ready?
Ready as I will ever be.
The sun is very bright.
Yeah, wear your hat.
Good idea. Puts on hat.
Let's play some ball.
This coffee is so good.
Mine too. It is hot.
So what do you do?
I relax on my weekends.
Do you have a hobby?
Actually, I love swimming.
Swimming? That is cool.
Yeah, I swim every morning.
Is the water cold?
No, the pool is warm.
I enjoy swimming in pools.
Me too. It is relaxing.
Where do you go?
To the gym on Main Street.
Is it very expensive?
No, it is quite cheap.
Maybe I can join.
Of course, you should come.
Does Leo like swimming?
Actually, he hates the water.
Really? Why does he hate it?
He can't swim very well.
That is too bad.
I know. He prefers soccer.
Soccer is fun too, though.
Yes, but swimming is better.
I love the blue water.
It feels very fresh.
Do you have goggles?
Yes, and a swim cap.
I need to buy those.
The shop next door has some.
Wait, is that Leo outside?
Where? Looks at window.
Walking past the blue car.
No, that guy is shorter.
You are right. My mistake.
Anyway, about the pool.
When are you going next?
Tomorrow morning at 8.
That is very early.
Well, it is very quiet.
I like quiet places.
Then you will love it.
Can we meet there?
Sure, I will wait outside.
Do I need a towel?
Yes, bring a big one.
Okay, I will bring mine.
Don't forget your soap.
Right, I almost forgot.
The showers are very clean.
That is good to know.
Do you want more coffee?
No thanks, I am full.
Me too. Let's go.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
See you at the pool.
Wow, the water looks great.
I told you, it is perfect.
Is it deep over there?
Yes, stay in this lane.
Okay, I will stay here.
Are you a good swimmer?
I am okay, not fast.
Speed is not important.
True, I just enjoy it.
Me too. It feels like flying.
That is a nice thought.
Ready to jump in?
Give me a second.
Is the water too cold?
Just a little bit.
Just move. You will warm up.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Great jump. How is it?
Actually, it is wonderful.
See, I told you so.
The water is so clear.
I love this pool.
Where's the lifeguard?
He is sitting over there.
Good, I feel very safe.
Can you swim 50 meters?
Maybe, let me try.
I'll race you.
No way, you are fast.
Okay, no racing.
Let's just swim slowly.
That is fine with me.
Do you swim every day?
No, only 3 times a week.
That is still very good.
It keeps me very healthy.
My best friend needs this.
You mean Leo?
Yes, he's very lazy,
He likes soccer though.
but he only watches it.
Oh, that is funny.
He sits on the sofa.
With a bag of chips?
Exactly, he loves potato chips.
We must bring him here.
He will be so scared.
We can help him.
Maybe next time.
Hey, don't splash me.
Sorry, it was an accident.
Sure it was.
Let's swim one more lap.
Okay, then we get lunch.
I am very hungry now.
Swimming makes you hungry.
Let's go, last lap.
Ready, set, go.
You won, you are fast.
Thanks. Let's go eat.
I feel so tired now.
But it is a good tired.
Yes, my arms feel heavy.
That means you worked hard.
Thanks for taking me, Alex.
No problem. You are welcome.
You are a good friend.
Thanks. You are too, Sam.
Leo is a lucky guy
Why is he lucky?
because we are his friends.
That is true.
He is lucky to have you.
Well, you know him longer.
10 years, a long time.
What is his best quality?
He is very, very loyal.
That is important in friends.
He always helps me out.
Like when?
When I moved my house.
Did he carry the boxes?
Yes, all the heavy ones.
Wow, that is a best friend.
What about your best friend?
His name is Ben.
Does Ben live here too?
No, he lives in California.
Oh, do you miss him?
Yes, we talk every week.
Long distance is hard.
It is, but we are close.
Does he like swimming too?
He loves surfing in the ocean.
Surfing? That sounds very scary.
It is a bit dangerous.
I prefer the pool water.
Me too. No sharks there.
Exactly. No sharks today.
Just some kids splashing us.
The sun is going down.
It is very beautiful. Look,
I love the orange sky.
it is my favorite time.
Are you hungry for pizza?
Always. I love pepperoni pizza.
There is a shop nearby.
Is it the one on the corner?
Yes, their crust is thin.
I love thin crust pizza.
Let's get a large one.
Can we share it?
Of course, half and half.
Sure. You choose one side.
I want extra cheese.
And I want some olives.
Olives? Okay.
Trust me, they are good.
The bus is coming soon.
In 5 minutes, actually.
I had a great day.
Me too, Sam. Thank you.
We should go somewhere far.
Like a trip? A vacation?
Yes, to the beach.
That sounds amazing, honestly.
We can swim in the ocean.
Wait, you said sharks.
Okay, a hotel pool.
That is much safer.
Can Leo come with us?
Of course, he is our friend.
He will love the sun.
But he must swim too.
We can teach him together.
Yes, he can use a float.
Where should we go?
How about Florida? It is warm.
Florida is very far away.
We can take a plane.
A plane? That is expensive.
We can save our money.
I can save $10.
Every week? That is good.
In a year, we go.
That is a long time.
Well, good things take time.
You are right. I agree.
I want to see dolphins.
They are very friendly animals.
Are they faster than you?
Much faster.
I want to swim with them.
Me too. That is a dream.
Let's check the prices tonight.
I will look online later.
Search for cheap beach hotels.
Got it. I will check.
Look, the bus is here.
Finally, it is very big.
Do you have your card?
Yes, it is in my pocket.
Okay, let's get on.
Wait, where is my bag?
It is on your shoulder.
Oh, silly me.
You are very tired, Alex.
Yes, swimming is hard work.
Sleep well tonight, my friend.
You too. See you soon.
Call me about the trip.
I will. Don't worry.
Bye. Have a safe trip.
Thanks. Talk to you later.
Tell Leo I said hi.
I will tell him now.
Goodbye, Alex.
See you later, Sam.